Facing the OOBE settings error on Windows 11? Discover the steps to quickly resolve this issue and optimize your Windows experience. Click on the search icon on your taskbar and type CMD. Select the Run as Administrator option. Then, key in the following command. Wait for the scan to complete, then restart your device to check whether the issue has been resolved. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Open the search menu. Then search for regedit, then click on it. Navigate through the following path. Right-click on Commit Limit Value in Right pane and choose the Delete option. Click Yes button when you get a confirmation message. Close the Windows Registry Editor and restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.